This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for coding. First, set up a dedicated page or database to house all your development work. You can easily embed code snippets using Notion's built-in code blocks, which support syntax highlighting for more than 50 programming languages. This makes your code readable and organized. Remember to use toggle lists to keep your pages clean, revealing code only when you need it. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Organizing your codebase in Notion is straightforward and powerful. You can categorize your code snippets using tags, making them easily searchable by project, language, or specific function. For dynamic code, consider embedding GitHub gists directly into your pages, which updates automatically. A database can link all your related code files and documentation. Don't forget to use callout blocks to draw attention to critical notes or warnings within your code explanations. Notion excels at project tracking and documentation for coding. You can manage your development workflow using Kanban boards or timeline views, visualizing progress at a glance. It's perfect for documenting API endpoints, system architecture, and crucial design decisions. Link individual tasks directly to relevant code blocks or detailed documentation pages. This fosters seamless collaboration with your team members, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned on shared coding projects. For advanced users, Notion offers even more. You can integrate Notion with other developer tools using its robust API, automating workflows and syncing data. Create custom templates for recurring coding tasks or specific project types to save valuable time. The powerful search function allows you to instantly locate any code snippet, documentation, or note across your entire workspace. Finally, easily export your comprehensive coding documentation in various formats, including PDF, for sharing or archiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.